In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Express on desktop. By the end, you'll be able to start a project from scratch or a template, make quick edits to text, images, or video, and then export or share your finished design with confidence. First, open your desktop web browser and go to adobe.com Express. Give the page a moment to load. You'll land on the home area where you can start a new project right away. Using a modern browser helps everything run smoothly, and a stable internet connection will make previews and downloads faster. Next, click Create New. This takes you into the editor, where you'll see your canvas in the center and helpful tools around it. Think of the canvas as your workspace. If you're just exploring, don't worry. Nothing you try here is permanent, and you can undo changes at any time. Now choose a template or a blank canvas. Templates are a great head start if you want a design that already has layout, color, and style baked in. You can search by purpose, like social posts or flyers, and pick one that matches your goal. Prefer total control? Choose a blank canvas and select a size that suits where your design will live, like a square for social or a widescreen layout for a presentation. Either way, your choice opens in the editor and you're ready to customize. Edit text, images, or video to make the project your own. Click any text box to type your content, then use the controls to change font, size, color, alignment, and spacing. Drag the corners to resize and reposition elements until everything feels balanced. For images, select a picture on the canvas to replace it with your own upload or browse built-in stock options. You can adjust brightness, contrast, crop, and apply effects to fit your style. If your project includes video, you can trim clips, adjust their order, add text overlays, and tweak audio levels so everything looks and sounds clean. Keep an eye on alignment guides that appear as you move objects. They help keep your layout tidy. And if you make a mistake, the undo button is always there to quickly step back. When you're happy with the result, click Download or Share. Download lets you choose the best format for your needs, such as PNG or JPG for images, PDF for print, or MP4 for video. Share gives you options to generate a link, publish directly to select platforms, or collaborate by sending access to others. Pick the option that matches your plan and confirm. That's all there is to it. You've opened Adobe Express, started a project, customized it, and exported it, ready to post, print, or present.